Here's two Goodman central air conditioners at an apartment complex. This one's got a Goodman reciprocating. This is from 2005. That's a 2-ton CKL24. This one is a Janitrol with a Bristol, I would assume. Yeah, it's got a Bristol in it. And this is from 94. That's a 2-ton. This is one of the older models of this variation right here. Motor's definitely been replaced at some point, but not recently, since the screws are rusted, and each of these have a Midwest disconnect box. And there's a run true and a train over there. And there's two Goodman. Yeah, there's a lot of run trues in this complex. There's two more right there. Brand new. They recently replaced a bunch of these units, except smaller versions. Yeah, two Goodman air conditioners at a office, or no, not office, apartment complex. Both straight cool units.